In this video, we'll show you how to fix voice chat not working in GTA 5 Online. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you can't hear anyone in-game or no one can hear you, here's what you can do to fix it. First, open up the pause menu and then go to settings and then scroll down and select voice chat. Now here, make sure voice chat is set to on and then check that your microphone is enabled. After that, make sure you select the correct input and output device. For input, you can select the mic you want to use and then turn up your microphone volume and sensitivity. For voice chat mode, you can set it to push to talk or voice activated, which will make your mic always turn on. For push to talk, you can go to Key Bindings tab, GTA Online, and then you'll see the push to talk button. If your mic is working, you'll see the volume bar move when you talk. All right, now, open up the interaction menu. Here, scroll down and go to Preferences, and on voice chat, make sure it's not set on no one. You can set it to everyone, crew, friends, or crew plus friends, up to your preference. And there we go.